Hi, I think almost everybody knows well about the harms of many cosmetic products. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you what I use instead of an armpit deodorant. All we need are a lemon or a mandarin, 2 little glasses per fruit, a knife, some cling film, some cotton, and tea filters. Let's prepare it. Firstly, I'm halving the fruits and squeezing them into the glasses. Then the next step is filtering them to the other glasses. Then we use the cotton for dipping into them. But warning, do not use it right after shaving. Apply the wet cotton on your armpits just like that. And probably it will be enough for all day long. You can also mix these fruit juices and use it that way too if you want. And don't forget to cover up the glasses with the cling film and refrigerate them up to 2 days. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.